Hey guys, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. So guys, today I'm going to come to you with something fun, which is this TikTok trend that went viral. So I'll be trying the blush act. So I'm going to use the red lipstick as blush, and if you guys want to see how it turned out, then continue to watch. First, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face using the Becca ever matte poreless primer. Yeah, Becca ever matte poreless primer perfector. So I'm going to use this first to get rid of them pores, try and eliminate some of this shine. So yes guys, I'm gonna try this act. I hope I don't come out looking like a red tomato. So we're just gonna have some fun with this. Ooh. Yes honey, some fun. So I'm gonna use this translucent powder to set my primer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press it in because I have super oily skin and I want to get rid of all that shine. Am I applying too much powder? I don't know, maybe not. Just blend it. I'll just press it in. I tell you, this primer gets matte. It gets super matte. Now that I look so ghostly, I'm gonna go ahead and add my red lipstick, and as I said before, I'm using the Uncensored from Fenty, so I'm gonna use that to do my blush. You want like this. I'm not adding too much because I'm gonna go on the road and I want to wear my makeup. She puts some on her nose and swoops over her forehead. So because this primer is it gets everything matte, I'm gonna go ahead and blend out super quick. It looks blended on my in my mirror, but on the camera it doesn't look that blended. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. camo concealer and I'm gonna use that to add light. So what they are doing now is just, instead of swooping it all the way under the eye or making that triangular shape, they just go something like this. Some here and then here. So you can get that nice face lift. So So now that my contour and blush is down, I'm gonna go ahead and contour. So now that is all down, I'm gonna go ahead and add my foundation, and I'm gonna be using the new Morphe foundation in perfect effect soft focus foundation, and this is in the shade Rich 31. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this and then blend it up. So I'm going to be using the Morphe brush to apply this foundation. I don't know what's going on, but this is burning my skin. I'm not sure if it's the foundation, but it's tingly. I'm gonna go in again with the not the Morphe, but the Laura Mercier translucent powder. My face is burning. I'm gonna now go in with the Sacha buttercup setting powder. Sorry. Here you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this look. I think I could go, because that red lipstick is so pigmented, I think I could go in with just a little bit, not so much. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.